present tense. As most of you have done the tenses in English, present, past, and future. Three tenses are very important in any language. Today we will do some sentences in present tense, which is called fail hal. The things which are happening in today are called fail hal, present tense. I have written some sentences in English, which we are going to write in Urdu as well. And the next week we will do the same sentences in future tense and past tense. I'm going to the market. मैं market जा रही हूँ. For the girls, मैं बाजार जा रही हूँ. रही is for the girls. रही हूँ. And for the boys we will write मैं बाजार जा रहा हूँ.